Hey guys, did you hear what was in the news?
No, what's the news?
The North American blizzard. Wait, guys, I have a question.
Yeah?
No, for Kelly. How did the winter storm even form?
Well, I don't know much about it, but it is when cold and dry air from Canada moves south and mixes with the moist, hot air from the Gulf of Mexico that was moving north. This creates the storm we are about to witness.
So much now. Oh, wow, I understand that so much now. Thank you, Kelly.
Wait, but what's in a winter storm?
Snow, silly goose.
Oh, how does that form?
Oh, Aiden.
I just had to tell you then. It's when water vapor begins deposition, which is when water vapor changes into ice without being a liquid first. And it has to be 32 degrees to fall.
Oh my god, really? No way. I thought it was just liquid at first, but I guess it's not.
Yeah, crazy, huh? Wait, jinx! Wait, guys, I was wondering, why is Snow White?
Wait, Snow White from the Disney movie?
No, Aiden! The actual snow.
Oh, because it reflects beam of white light. The snow structure prevents light from shining through.
Wow, so interesting.
Guys, we have to do research before the blizzard hits us. Like, honestly. Wait a second. Yeah.
For real? How do blizzards even form?
They form from very strong winds and intense snowfall. Cold air at the surface, lost in moisture, and warm air must rise over the cold air.
Oh.
Guys, I found something online about thunder snow.
What's thunder snow, Kelly?
I'll tell you. It is when thunder and lightning occurs from a snowstorm. You need to bunch of cold air on top of warm air with moist air close to the ground. You will usually get 2 inches per hour.
Good job finding that, Kelly. It's helpful to know. We should also know that an avalanche is a moving mass of snow that could contain ice, soil, rock, and uprooted trees.
And it begins when an unstable amount of snow breaks away from a mountainside.
Okay, I think we've all our research now. We have to prepare for this blizzard. Marissa, we gotta listen to Aiden. What are you doing?
Oh, I was doing research, but I guess I'll get off.
Oh, that's okay.
To prepare for a blizzard coming, we have to have a disaster plan and prepare a disaster supply kit for your home and car.
Include first aid kits, food, water, battery-operated radio, flashlight, and clothing. The storm is coming! The storm is coming! I felt snow! What do we do? What do we do? What do we do? Oh my god! Ready? Oh my god!
Kelly, calm down.
Kelly, just stop pacing.
Just stay warm, dress warmly, eat regularly, drink lots of water, keep dry if you have to go out, wear layered clothing. If you drive, carry a cell phone, and make sure you have gas.
There was 26.4 inches of snow on the ground. 67 centimeters.
This is so crazy.
I can't feel my toes.
Oh, Aiden.
Oh no. Guys, I think we're getting closed in.
Oh, I can't feel my legs.
Aiden!
I can't feel my arms.
Aiden, no!
You'll be missed, Aiden. You'll be missed.
This was just one of the 77 deaths from the blizzard.
And this was our best friend. Now that the storm has ended, we have to go wait until the roads are safe.
And check on neighbors, of course, to see if they're okay. Not like Aiden.
You certainly will be missed.
He won't be. Hold it. First, you have to see if your neighbors are okay. Hi, this is North America.
Oh, hello, Marissa. How are you?
I'm good. How are you after this big storm?
I'm okay.
Would you like some water?
Oh, sure. I was running low on it. Thank
Oh
you.
yeah, lots of people are running low. All right, well, have a nice day. I hope you're
You
doing
too.
good.
I'll see you later.
But now we'll have to go on with our lives.
Aiden will be missed.
Jinx!